traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 6th, and we're going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar, I still think that this move down is a wave C. Now the question is it going to be a higher low wave C like a running correction and then continue the uptrend? Or is it going to extend into like an extension, like an extended wave C before it actually ends up going back up? Some of the other dollar pairs do kind of make you think that it might end up just continuing up from here, but we'll have to keep an eye on it on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly, the last 2 weeks have been pretty strong. We have made a pretty significant bounce at the 78%. This definitely could make a running correction, which means it would make a higher low, higher low, higher low, ending a wave C and potentially starting a brand new uptrend for the bigger wave C to the upside on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, we definitely do have a breaker structure to the upside on the daily, so the trend has potentially changed to the upside. Now one thing we have to keep in mind is that doesn't mean trend reversal. It doesn't mean that it's just going to start a brand new uptrend like that necessarily. This definitely could now just be a correction to this last move down. So if we do get a Fibonacci bounce with a big engulfing move to the downside, you still have to look at this as possibly being a correction to the last wave down and possibly continuing the downtrend. That's a big misconception. A lot of people hear me talk about breaks of structure. A break of structure does not mean trend reversal. A break of structure could just mean that it's a correction to the last wave down in this case. Anyways, going down to the 4 hour time frame, a lot of the dollar pairs to me look like they do kind of need to make another push down. So this might still be a wave A. This still could be a wave B. This definitely still could be a wave C. We're sitting at the 50%. If we get an impulsive move down and a break of structure, I would still take it as a potential short because it does look like it could possibly make another move to the downside. We have non-farm payroll coming out today, which is normally a pretty decent news event. Now let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, this is what I would be looking for. We have non-farm payroll news coming out today, and non-farm does make spike reversals a lot, so I'd like to see it go up, spike, then come down, then break structure. If it does this right here, then I would definitely take it as a short for the continuation of the downtrend. I would have to see it do this reversal. I would have to see it break structure to the downside, ending this uptrend right here in order to take it as a short, because technically on the daily time frame, ever since we got that break of structure last Friday to the upside, the trend is up on the daily time frame, so it could potentially just continue the uptrend, which is why I would not take it as a short unless I saw it reverse back down and break structure. So be very careful. Wait for confirmation. You're going to be much more satisfied if you just wait for a nice break of structure because, like I said, it could possibly just keep on trending up. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.